The word of the village medicine man, and modern doctor. In most urban and suburban areas throughout the world, sick people are taken to a doctor office or to a hospital for treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken instead to a local medicine man. This medicine man is a combine of a doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some of his methods are similar to those of an urban doctor, but most are very much different. Different in method is a result of the fact that this is to the modern, to the modern scientific mind is viewed as something natural. It is caused by virus, bacteria, and other small things that we cannot see without a microscope. By contrast, in much of the world, disease is considered to be something supernatural. In other words, sickness is not caused by something physical, but instead is the result of deep anger, broken religious laws, the hatred of enemies, and so on. An urban physician knows how to treat a specific disease. The medicine man, however, treats the whole person and often the patient family and friend as well. Prevention of disease. Of course, there are be no need for treatment if people know how to take care of themselves. A modern physician might tell his patient what to eat, how much to exercise, and how to relax and the like. The medicine man, on the other hand, tell his patient to wear amulets, special necklace for protection against bad spirit. Nevertheless, in both village and urban societies, people do become ill and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis. The first step in any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. The doctor or the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis, but ask about symptoms. Is the patient complain about headaches, stomachaches, insomnia, skin rash? But the similarity in method and there. The doctor next step is to give blood tests, take X-ray, and the other. While the medicine man involves supernatural method, he might ask the patient about his dream, use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the star, or go into a trance in an effort to contract spirit or other being outside the world. Cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure. In modern medicine, this solution usually means one or more of the following. The same method that are used for patient, perhaps one, but the same course as the diagnosis. However, a medicine man also use a wide variety of supernatural methods in his course. Two of the most common are exorcisms and soul hunt. Exorcism is based on the belief that disease is caused by bad spirit. This is an exorcism ceremony. The medicine man performs a number of traditional activities to take the evil being out of the victim body. Songs, dance, and religious prayers are part of any exorcism, and soul hunt include them as well. In these ceremonies, the medicine men try to visit the victim's soul, which are believed to help love their body to return. A typical tribal ceremony. The Nambu people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the injury of a relative, friend, or ceremony. This emotion, they say, causes a tooth to enter the body of the person who is the target of the injury, and to create disease. When the medicine man decides which body part contains the evil tooth, he calls together the victim relatives and friends to watch a ceremony. at the end of which he removes it from the patient's throat, arm, leg, stomach, and the other. Although the patient and the villager know what has happened, that the tooth has been hidden inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time. The patient is often cured. The number ceremony is typical of treatment around the world, in which stone, insect, or small spears are taken out of sick people, despite scientific evidence that dispute the effectiveness of such method. The fact remains that the treatments are often successful, and many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than by a modern physician. The success of medicine men. Scientists ask how medicine men can actually be successful in their treatment and why they are so popular. The answer probably lie in a combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic. Even Western physicians agree that patients with deep faith believe in God, their doctor, the drug they take, image or symbolic, will regain their health faster than patients with little hope. Second, ceremonies may be effective because people come together for a common goal. Patients see how many people in their communities care about the cure. In addition, this communal meeting provides socially acceptable opportunities for the people of the village to express what they feel. Social and psychological problems can be solved along the physical ones of the sick person. Fourth, scientists theorize that the transport of the ceremonies produces certain chemicals in the body, which then work to help cure the disease. Finally, many of the medicine men natural drugs, which come from a nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learn from the method of tribal medicine men.